Okay, guys, so here we go with the convince me problem. Angle ABD is a straight angle. What is the measure of angle ABE if the measure of angle DBC is 115 degrees and the measure of angle CBE is 20 degrees? How did you decide? Write and solve an equation. So the first thing you need to keep in mind is that we have a straight angle here. Angle ABD is a straight line. Therefore, that measures 180 degrees. Remember, that's one of those benchmark numbers that I told you needed to remember. So angle ABD is 180 degrees. So I'm just going to bring that down here just kind of as a reminder for you. And now, we're trying to find the measure of angle ABE. So we want to know how big or what is the measure of this angle ABE. We don't know that one. We do know that the angle DBC measures 115 degrees. So I'm going to pull that over here just to kind of keep us, to help us out, to help us fill in what we know. We can tell that this is an obtuse angle. It's more than 90 degrees, so 115 degrees makes sense. The problem also tells us that the measure of angle CBE is 20 degrees. So I'm going to pull that number over here, 20. So now we've got angle ABE, which is our unknown. We've got DBC, which is 115 degrees, and CBE is 20 degrees. So I could make an equation that says angle DBC plus angle CBE, so here's angle CBE, equals some number. Well, I know the measures of those angles already. I know that DBC is 115 degrees, angle CBE is 20 degrees, and so the total for those is 135 degrees. But we said ABD equals 180. So we've got three angles that make up ABD. We've got angle DBC, we've got angle CBE, and we've also got angle ABE. We don't know how much that is, but we know that the value of that plus the value of this center angle, which is 20 degrees, and added to the value of this angle, 115 degrees, will equal 180. So I could also write another equation. 180 degrees, our total, minus 135 degrees. That's the amount we got when we added angle DBC and angle CBE. We got our 135 degrees. So 180 degrees minus 135 degrees would give us 45 degrees. So our answer would be angle ABE equals 45 degrees. And there you go. I hope that helped.